Good day, YouTubers. The purpose of this video today is to show and demonstrate this ammo can stove that I made last year. I haven't actually tried it in my ice fishing hut, so I want to see if I could actually survive a night in that ice fishing hut. What I have beside here is a stovepipe vent here that is made out of KO wool and some netting, and then beside that is a fan so I don't die inside. That's to bring in some fresh air just in case the carbon monoxide detector goes off. I'm hoping it won't, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, welcome and enjoy the show. Here we are inside the ice hut. I have my stovepipe protector here. The way it was designed was to fit into that window. So basically there's a two Velcro window system that comes off like that, and then this comes apart as well. You can take that right off, and then voila, the stovepipe protector is in place with Velcro. So that's where the stovepipe goes out. We're going out to the outside there. I don't know if you can see it that well, but that's the way it works. So what we have in front of us here is a computer fan I designed to bring in air just in case there is a lot of carbon monoxide given off by the fire, but I'm hoping and praying that that doesn't happen. So it fits on the same way as the pipe stove protector there. It basically comes, the window comes out partially, not all the way, and then this guy fits here like so. Actually make that quite tight, and then it's got a little flick switch on there, so there you go. There's a lot of air coming in here, bringing in nice cold oxygen so I don't die. Alright, so it's evening now, and the reason why it's evening and I'm starting a fire in the evening is because my neighbors are total dicks and they have the fire department on speed dial every time I light a fire. They call the fire department. So I'm going to prepare the fire. I have my pellets in there, just wood burning pellets for most wood burning stoves. Chunk in there on top, embedded a little bit in there, so and we will ignite it and watch it glow. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 0 degrees outside, 11 degrees in here. I have the carbon monoxide detector. It hasn't gone off at all. Although, if you look up there, it is a little bit smoky. I don't know if you can see that. I have the fan going full blast. I don't know if you can see that. No, probably not, but I'm nice and comfortable in here. Anyways, I mean, I have my boots on, a coat, my pants, and I'm cozy. It's definitely getting warmer here. It's getting kind of cozy. Starting to feel like I want to take my coat off. Water's starting to drip from the ceiling. Guess the ice on the roof is melting. Still no indication of carbon monoxide in here from our carbon monoxide detector, which is wonderful. We've hit 16 degrees in here. Fan is still bringing in nice, fresh, cold air. Bit of condensation on the roof, but not much. I see a little bit of smoke in here, but not a lot. We are at 17 degrees in here, 0 outside, fresh air being pumped in. Carbon monoxide detector did not go off. I'd say this is a fire safe zone, and it is conducive to winter camping. 18 degrees, did you see that? Well, I'll let you know if it goes up any higher than that, but it's nice and toasty in here.